Hi, welcome to my max session. So in today's session, I'm going to teach you how to solve a simple fractions which involves both addition and subtraction. So with respect to the rule for subtraction of fractions, the rule is just same as the addition of fractions. In case if you have a like fractions, you will have to subtract the numerators. If you have an unlike fractions, you will have to first convert them into like fractions and follow the rule for the like fractions. So now let's get started. Now I've got a simple sum which involve both addition and subtraction, which have got a proper fraction and which have got a mixed fraction. So in this we'll have to first convert these three mixed fractions into an improper fraction and then further continue with the solving the problem. So let's get started. So it is a 4 1 by 5. So how do I convert? I'll have to first multiply my numerator with my natural number. So 5 into 4. So 5 into 4, and with the answer I'll have to add my numerator plus 1 divided by 5. What is the answer to 20? 20 plus 1 will be 21 by 5. So this 4 by 4, 1 by 5, I have converted this mixed fraction into a proper fraction like a 21 by 5. Now again I have to convert this one. So 5, I have to multiply my natural number and the denominator. So 5 into 10 plus 1. With the answer I have to add my numerator. Divided by, I have to share the same denominator. So 550, 50 plus 1 is 51. So first 51 by 10. Okay, solved. Next the symbol is minus. Next one is 1 by 2. Same thing. So multiplying 1 into 2. So 1 into 2. With the answer I am going to add my numerator to share my same denominator. So 2 plus 1 3 minus 3 by 2. And for this there is nothing to solve. You just have to write the same fraction. So this is the first step of solving the of the sum. There first we'll have to convert these mixed fractions into an improper fraction. What are the fractions given? And now we have got a proper fractions. Nothing is mixed fractions. We'll have to solve this. So this involves addition and subtraction. So what is the rule? I have to see all my denominators. My denominators are not same. So if they are same, in case if they are same, it is very easy. I will have just add this one and subtract, we'll get the answer. But in this case, the denominators are not same. So we'll have to take an LCM. First, you will have to find the make a common denominator. So let's find the LCM. For LCM for 5, 10, 2, 6. Okay. So I'm going to do 5 table. 5 ones are 5 2s are, it's not divisible. This is also not divisible. Okay. I'm going to do with 2 table. So 1, 1, 1 and 3. I'm going to do with a 3 table. 1, 1, 1, 1. So my LCM will be 5 into 2 into 3 into 1. So 5 2s are 10. 10 into 3 is 30. 30 into 1 is again 30. So my LCM is 30. Now I'll have to make everything into a like fractions. It will be 30. Okay. So what I have to do for getting 30 in my denominator? 30 is my LCM, here is 5, so multiplying by 6. 6 ones are 6, so 126. Again 30, so multiplying by 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. Okay, and next one is into 2, so multiplying by 15 into 15 is 45. Multiplying by 5 into 5, so it is 5. So now all my denominators are same. So I can just subtract the numerators now. So 30. This can be written as 126 plus 153 minus 45 and minus 5. Upon solving this, my answer will be 229 by 30. So this is how I'll have to solve the sum. So what a tip I would like to give for beginners who have started doing fractions is, first of all, when you have a slightly bigger sum, first write the sum very clearly and write the signs properly. So first convert them into mixed fractions into a proper fraction, improper fractions, and then you'll have to solve the sum. So can must be taken while converting. This may sound or may look like a complicated one, converting a mixture into an improper fraction, but try practicing 10-15 sums. You can very easily get this one. It's very easy one. But don't get confused with the multiplication and addition. So the more you practice, the more easier it will be for you. So be careful with the signs. Read the question twice, okay, whether it's a plus or minus, and then while converting, please take care. So by that you can get the answer correctly. Hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.